Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to crop your FaceTime video to another video using CapCut PC. First open your CapCut PC, then import your main video and FaceTime video. Then drag your FaceTime video to the timeline like this. Now select your video and go to Video tab. In the Video tab, you will find Mask tab here, this one. On the Mask tab, I will select Circle Mask, this one. Once you select Circle Mask, you can adjust it on your FaceTime video. Now I want to give a border color for this circle. Then I go to Basic. On the Basic tab, down here you will find this drop down list. In this drop down list, there is an option called Color. Select it. I select white color as my border color. Now again come to your timeline. Select your FaceTime video. Then right click on it. Give Create Compound Clip. Now drag your main video below your FaceTime video. Like this, you can drag your main video below the FaceTime video. Then again go to your FaceTime video, click on it, go to Mask, then select Circle Mask again. Then you can adjust your border here. Alright. Then again come to Basic tab. Now you can rescale your FaceTime video. Like this. You can rescale your FaceTime video. Also you can replace your FaceTime video on the main video. Like this, you can replace it anywhere you prefer. Now let's play this one. Okay, this is the end of today's lesson. If you find these tutorials are supportive for your video editing works, please subscribe my channel and like the videos and share the videos with your friends. If you have problems regarding CapCut PC video editing, please comment below the videos. I will create separated video for your problems. Thank you very much.